How to fix Roblox Error Code 103. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 103. So let's jump straight into it. If you're running into Roblox Error Code 103, don't stress, this is a fairly common problem and there are a few reliable ways to fix it. One of the main causes is your account's date of birth. Roblox applies strict privacy restrictions to accounts under 18, which can block you from joining certain games. The quick solution is to create a new Roblox account with your age set above 18, then sign in and try again. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing you should try is a full console restart. Hold the Xbox power button down for about 15 seconds until the console completely shuts off. Unplug it from the power source, wait around 10-15 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches that cause the error. And if you're still seeing the issue after that, the final option is to reinstall Roblox. On your Xbox, go to My Games and Apps, find Roblox, press the menu button on your controller, select Uninstall, and then reinstall it from the Xbox Store. In most cases, one of these steps, especially fixing your date of birth settings, will get you back into Roblox without any more error code 103 interruptions. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.